In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Inequalz app that comes standard on most graphing calculators. So if you click on apps and you go down to number 7, that's Inequalz. If you don't have it there, you can download it from the TI website onto your computer and transfer it to your calculator. There's lots of YouTube videos on how to do that. You can also transfer it from one calculator to another calculator. If somebody you know already has it on there, you can link your calculators and transfer it that way. So you're going to click number 7 and then press any key to continue. And what it's going to do is give you this fun feature where now, normally your cursor is right here. If you go over so that the box is over this whole thing and press enter, then you can change, go down to here and change that to the symbol that I gave you. So if I gave you, let's say it was y is less than 2, x plus 3, and you were supposed to graph that, I could go here and change it to less than, and you can see it is giving me the correct dash line that goes with this kind of inequality, and it's going to shade it on that side. So if I go to down and hit OK, now it says less than. And depending on your calculator, it may work just a little bit differently. You may just highlight the equals and hit enter until it changes to the less than. I have to highlight the whole thing. So again, it's going to go over, you can try this on your own calculator. It's going to go over and highlight this whole box, and then I press enter, and then it gives me the option to change that to a less than. But I believe on other versions of this calculator, all you do is you click on the equal sign, just have it highlight the equal sign, and then change it to less than, greater than, or whatever symbol you want. And then when I go to graph, it's still set from before, so I'm going to go to Zoom 6 standard. There we go, and you can see the shading is on the correct area. And of course, you already know that everything that's shaded in here is a solution to y is less than 2x plus 3. And you can see it's a dashed line. Let's look at what it looks like when it's a solid line. Go over, re-highlight the box, change it. Do you remember what do we do when we want it to be a solid line? That's right, we have to have a line under it. So this should give me a solid line when I graph it. Maybe. Oh, I gotta turn it on. Did you see what happened? That was a good troubleshooting thing. It's like nothing graphed. Well, I know the window is set correctly, but this was not highlighted black. If that's not highlighted black, it won't graph. Now it's highlighted black, and when I go to graph, now you can see the line and it is solid. Did you see that, what I just showed you there? If you want to graph something that's x equals, that's actually not a function, but with the Inequalz app, we can graph it. So here's x equals 3. And I'm also going to turn off this one. See, now it's turned off. And now you can see that what x equals 3 looks like. So that's a little bit about the Inequalz menu and how that works and how you can use that app to graph inequalities.